are a couple of different types of sea lions and seals that you see in this area at Adventure Cove. And that right there was a California sea lion. I absolutely love this area of the zoo because then we can go underwater. We get to see some of our friends just chilling and swimming. Ooh, he's fast. So even though they have fins and flippers, they are actually mammals. And mammals are animals that need to breathe air. Hi! So whereas fish have gills to give them the ability to breathe water, mammals, like our seals and sea lions, need to go up to the surface and be able to breathe the oxygen. Continue our walk through Adventure Cove. Our next stop is some baby cheetahs. Look how adorable they are. Fastest land mammal. We continue on to Jack Hanna's Animal Encounters Village. Here we see a really happy red-ruffed lemur. He's having a lot of fun playing around and jumping around and saying hi to everybody. Way back there, you can see the tail of the ring-tailed lemur. I think it's pretty aptly named. So with the red-ruffed lemur, they actually have 12 distinct calls to communicate. Each one has its own meaning. And the ring-tailed lemur decided to make an appearance. Beautifully beaked, colorful birds are toucans. And I actually saw one of these when I went down to Ecuador. It's a country in South America. Beautifully colored beaks. And large ones too. Hello. These cute little guys are capybaras. Capybaras typically live in South America. And that is south of the equator, which means it's on the bottom half of the world. This big guy is a northern ground hornbill. A pretty tall dude. Typically find these guys in savannas of northern and central Africa, a continent on the other side of the world. These cutie pies over here I absolutely love are the Asian small-clawed otter. Now this lovely lady over here was telling us that these are still pretty young babies and they don't necessarily have the confidence yet to swim in this beautiful pool that they have. So they'll get the front half of their bodies in. But that's really about it for them right now, and that's fine. They are more than welcome to wait until their confidence is ready. These sleepy little boys are bat-eared foxes. And they're named for that because of their large ears in comparison to their body. Now, they're sleeping, so you can't necessarily see exactly how big. So here's a little picture right over here. Look here, there we got a North African crested porcupine. Now you see those black and white quills on his backside. Those that help to protect him from predators. Those are nice and sharp. This guy way up here is a two-toed sloth. Now, the reason they're called two-toed is because they only have 2 toes. And they use those toes to grip onto these vines to be able to climb across. And these are the guys that move really slow. All the way over there is a radiated tortoise. Now it's kind of hard to tell from all the way over here, but there's a little guy there, and he's there. So he's about the size of a small dog. unfortunately, these guys are critically endangered, and that means that there's not a whole heck of a lot of them left. And you can find them in Madagascar. It's a country in the continent of Africa. The Adventure Cove is Stingray Bay. This is probably my favorite section of Adventure Cove. We gonna pet some stingrays. We gotta learn how to properly pet one. Just put your hand down, and we were told to make sure to not get their eyes or their tails. And I believe this beautiful lady is Calypso. Look how they glide through the water. There's so many. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my hand down, and I'm gonna wait. There he comes! Oh! Thought I had something to eat. Tried to nibble on my hand. And they feel like wet rubber.
I know. It's very cool.
Hello! Hello down there. Alright, hey everybody, I'm here with Stevie over at the Manta Ray, or the Ray Cove. She's going to tell us a little bit about the differences between stingray and manta ray.
Alright, so manta rays are very cool. They're actually a species of stingray. They're just the biggest ones. And the biggest difference is that they don't have a stinger the way all of the stingrays do. They're the only ones that just don't have it.
Fabulous.